This bacon cheddar cauliflower chowder is so creamy and so comforting, you will not miss the carbs. So the first step of our bacon cauliflower chowder is to cook bacon. And now we're gonna transfer it to a paper towel lined plate. Get that kind of draining a little bit. Add in our celery and some garlic. We're gonna cook these until the celery is softened and maybe a little brown on some edges, which will take about 3 to 4 minutes. That smells awesome. The sweetness from the celery and the salty smokiness from the bacon fat and the garlic. I think it's time to move on to our cauliflower. So we're going to add some chopped cauliflower, some onion powder, and just a splash of water. Now we're gonna stir it around and then cover it, which will help steam the cauliflower to help cook a little bit faster. Stir these bad boys around, and now we'll add our milk, chicken broth, and a little bit of hot sauce. So we are at a boil, and we're going to reduce it, turn it to about medium or medium-low, so that we can simmer it and cook the vegetables completely. You can partially cover this bad boy too. Let's turn it off the heat, and we are gonna blend it. The great thing about this is you can just blend right daggum straight in the pot. So easy. All right, so now we're gonna stir in about half of our bacon. And now, cheese. We're gonna put this in gradually. So we'll just add a little bit, stir it up, melt it. We do not wanna put in the whole thing all at one time because the cheese will not completely melt and it will break and curdle your soup. You do not want that. Now it's time for everyone's favorite part of soup, to garnish it. Cheese. Bacon. Scallion. This bacon cheddar cauliflower chowder is so creamy and so comforting, you will not miss the carbs. You can choose to blend this up, or you could leave it in big pieces. If you leave it in big pieces, I recommend adding a slurry to thicken it up. But comment below which way you would prefer.